friends, welcome to Gauri Smart channel. Today I am going to explain Triple IT model paper 40 marks within less than 20 minutes. So I will try to complete the paper within 20 minutes. I will explain in English and Telugu both media. First English medium, after that Telugu medium. What is the value of log 50 base 1950 plus log 39 base 1950? So if you observe clearly, this is log A plus log B, means log AB. So 50 into 39, that is 1950, base 1950, log A base A is equal to 1. We know very well. So answer is 1, option C. In the second problem, if you observe clearly, log 1 is 0. So second option R. And one more thing, GCD of two even numbers is always even. So here these two even numbers is having even number 2, so answer is 2. So first option is Q. In the third option you need not to do, because two options are already connected, so the another option is automatically connected with that problem. So third one is answer 1. If you clearly observe, then it is very clearly A is equal to 1 only. We can say that root C is equal to root 1 into C, root C is equal to root C. So option QRP, that is B option. If log x is equal, if x is equal to log 3 base 2 and y is equal to log 5 base 2, then express log 16 base 2. See here, log 60 can be written as 4 15s are. Again 4 can be written as 2 square, 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Now log A B C, log A plus log B plus log C. Here log A means log A power m, means 2 come this side, log 2 base 2 is 1. So 2 ones are 2, plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. Already they have given x is log 3 base 2 and y is log 5 base 2. So here answer 2 plus x plus y. Which of the following statements are true? See here, A set is having 3 elements, so the number of sets is 2 cube, that is 8. So first option is wrong. And the second option, n of A is equal to 6 and n of B is equal to 4. Then the maximum number of elements in A intersection B is 4. It's correct, because see here, A set I am taking A, B, C, D, E, E, and B set I am taking A, B, C, D. See here, if I take intersection, what I will get? A, B, C, D. So 4 elements only I will get. That is the maximum. That is the maximum. If you say minimum, so the both sets should be taking disjoint sets. Then minimum elements is 0. Minimum elements is 0. If you take disjoint sets. Next, every empty set is a subset of every set. It is also true. So 2 and third statement are true. So answer D. If A minus B is equal to pi, then the relation between A and B is, see here I am taking A is 1 2 3, B is 1 2 3 4 5. So whatever the elements I am taking A, that is also present in B. So here if I do A minus B, 1 2 3 is there, so empty set is there. So answer, already they have given A minus B is equal to pi. So third option is the correct answer. Like that we have to take. Next, A is equal to 3 5 7, B is equal to 2 3 5, then A intersection is equal to 3 5. Yes, both are having 3 5 are the common elements. A intersection B is equal to x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. Here and must be there. So it's also correct answer. So assertion and reason both are correct, and reason is supporting the assertion. The zeros of the polynomial h of x is equal to x minus 5 into x square minus x minus 6 are alpha, beta, gamma. Then which of the following is false? Which of the following is false? See here, zeros of the polynomial means we have to make the polynomial equal to 0. So x minus 5 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 5, 1 root. And x square minus x minus 6 can be written as x plus 2 into x minus 3. That is equal to 0. So x plus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 2. X minus 3 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 3. So here in the options, minus 2 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there, but minus 5 is not our root. So that is the answer, because they are asking which of the following is false. So minus 5 is false. Match the following. So here also clearly you observe the graph which is passing through 0 comma 0. So if you substitute x 0, then y is also 0. So R1 is B, and if you divide a polynomial with another polynomial, then you will get polynomial. So option A. So Q is A, and the automatically P is C, because point, they are asking point. So without doing only, this problem can be done. So answer PCQARB. So PCQARB means that is D. Next, if this polynomial has factor x minus 1, x plus 2, then b plus c. See here, x minus 1 is a factor, means x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Substitute this value in the polynomial, means 1 square plus b into 1 plus c is equal to 0. So that means b plus c is equal to this plus 1, bring to that side minus 1. So answer minus 1. So option D. Here option D. If 6x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 and kx minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 as unique solution, then k not equal to 3. See here, these two are unique solution, means we have to take the formula a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. I have taken, so 6 by k not equal to 2 by 1. So cross multiplication, you will get cross multiplication k not equal to 3. So first statement is correct. If these two equations are dependent equations, then a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. See here, dependent equation means only coincidence lines only dependent, because one line is depending on other line is depending on one line. So that is only dependent equation. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then only it is dependent equations. So that is wrong. So statement is wrong. So assertion is right and statement reason is false. Which of the following equation has the solution? 2 comma minus 3. Substitute this point in the third equation. See here, 2 2s are 4, minus in minus plus, 3 3s are 9, 4 plus 9 13. So I got the answer. So option C. Like this we can do. X is equal to 7 is a line. See, I am taking x axis and y axis. X is equal to 7, one line I am drawing. It is parallel to y axis. So option B. Which of the following statement is true? See, x square minus 6x plus k is equal to 0 as real and distinct. Real and distinct means what? Delta greater than 0. So delta means what? B square minus 4ac. B means 6. 6 square means 36 minus 4ab minus 4k greater than 0. 4 table. 4 9s are 4 1s are. So 9 minus k is greater than 0. 9 is greater than k less than 9. So first option is correct. What they are asking, which of the following statement is true? 4 options only given, they are asking which of the following is true. First option only true, so we need not to do the remaining 3 sums, we need not to do. So that is the answer you have to give, but I am explaining, I will explain. The sum of the roots of the equation, so minus b by a, so b is not the 0 answer, but they have given 1 by 6, that is false. The general form of quadratic equation, they are saying equation means is equal to 0 must be there. There is no equal to 0, it is a polynomial, so it is also false. The number of solutions of a quadratic equation is 4, wrong. Quadratic means 2, so 2 solutions only maximum, so that is also wrong. If alpha comma beta are the two roots of x square plus ax plus 12 is equal to 0, such that alpha minus beta is equal to 1, then here alpha is, they have given, that is wrong. A is, they have to give. A is, they have to give. See here, I am saying here, see here, alpha minus b is equal to 1 and alpha plus beta is equal to minus a. So I am squaring on both sides, means I am using a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. That is the formula I am using. A minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So a minus b whole square means alpha minus beta whole square means 1 square. A plus b whole square means minus a square means a square. Minus 4ab, minus 4 into ab means what? Product of the roots, 12. 4 12s are 48. Minus 48 bring to this side. So 48 plus 1, 49. A square is 49. A is equal plus or minus 7. So option D. Next, the product of the roots, c by a. So minus 1 by 4. So means opposite only they have given. Sum of the roots minus b by a means 1 by 4, that is also oppositely they have given. Roots are equal, then k is equal to, so obviously this is also plus or minus 4. So option STU. Next, x plus 2 whole square is equal to x cube minus 4 is a quadratic equation. See here, cube is there, it is not a quadratic equation. First one is wrong. An equation whose degree is 2 is called quadratic equation. Yes, it is correct. So assertion is false, but reason is correct. Next, a2 is equal to 2 and an is equal to an minus 1 minus 1, then a5 is equal to, here a3 means n value if you substitute 3, a3 is equal to a3 minus 1 means a2 minus 1. Already a2 they have given, so 2 minus 1, that is 1. So third term is 1, second term is 2. So we know very well d is equal to a3 minus a2 means 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So we know very well minus 1 is the common difference. So you can say that 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1. So they are asking fifth term, so fifth term is minus 1. Without using formula we can say. Means second term 2, third term 1, means first term what 3 and next term what 0, next term what minus 1, because we have to subtract minus 1. So the term is minus 1. Here 18th one, 1 plus 2 plus 3, sum of the natural numbers n into n plus 1 by 2. Next in the down one, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on, means sum of the odd numbers, that is n square. Here n cancel, then n plus 1 by 2n, that is second option. If the endpoints of the diameter they are given, center is given, so we know very well x1 plus x2 by 2, n plus y2 by 2. Here no need of y1 plus y2 by 2, only x1 plus x2 by 2. If you take 4 plus x by 2 is equal to 2, because they are given 2 2s are 4, 4 and 4 cancel, then x is equal to 0. So it's very easy bit. Next, the segment joining these 2 points is divided by x-axis in the ratio 5:3. This is wrong, absolutely wrong, because x-axis dividing means minus y1 is to y2. So here minus 6 is to plus 1. So here 6 is to 1. But there is no option, so that's wrong. And these 3 are collinears, then k is equal to 6 they are asking. See here, collinear means I have wonderful shortcut, that is, so take 1 point, subtract that 1 point from these 3 points. So I am taking 2 comma 3, I am subtracting 2 comma 3 from these 3 points. Minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3. So first point is eliminated. Next 4 minus 2 means 2, k minus 3. Again 6 minus 2 means 4 and minus 3 means minus 6. So now I am using formula x1 by x2 is equal to y1 by y2. Here 2 by 4 is equal to k minus 3 by minus 6. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Again 2 1s are 2 3s are. Again minus 3 is equal to k minus 3. Again minus 3 will get cancelled. K is equal to 0. But they have given k is equal to 6. So both are wrong. Both are wrong. Option D. And one more thing. Secant power 4 theta plus tan power 4 theta is equal to 4 by 3. Then the value of tan theta into secant theta. See here, we know very well a square plus b square, that is a plus a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So that is only formula I have used here. Secant square theta minus tan square theta whole square plus secant square theta into tan square theta is equal to 4 by 3 they have given. We know very well secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So 1 square means 1. This 1 bring to that side minus 1. 4 by 3 minus 1 means that is 1 by 3. 2 is multiplying. If you bring to that side, it is dividing. So 3 2s are 6. Square bring to that side means root, that is plus or minus. So plus or minus 1 by root 6 is the answer. Next, what is the orthocenter ABCD square inscribed in the circle? Find the ratio of the perimeter of ABCD and perimeter of semicircle ABC. See here, circle is having square. So they have given, they did not given anything. So let us suppose the side of this square is A, then the diameter is root 2a. Diameter is root 2a. So I am finding perimeter, that is pi r plus 2r. So pi means pi, r means what? A by root 2. A by root 2. So 2r means root 2a. So this is a perimeter I found. We know very well perimeter of this square is 4a. So in the left side I am doing 4a is to, I am taking common a. So a into pi plus 2 by root 2. So a and a will get cancelled. If you multiply with root 2, then 4 root 2 is to pi plus 2. So very easily I got the answer, option D. So which of the following statement is true or correct? The first statement is correct, second statement is correct, third statement is correct, and fourth one is wrong. So now let us explain. See here 3 power x is equal to 6 means x is equal to log 6 base 3. 2 power y is equal to 6 means y is equal to log 6 base 2. We want 1 by x plus 1 by y. They have asked it like that only. X plus y by xy means what? X by xy plus y by xy. X cancel means 1 by y cancel means 1 by x. So they are asking 1 by x plus 1 by y. So 1 by x means what? This reciprocal will be changed. So log 3 base 6 plus log 2 base 6. Log a plus log b, log ab means 3 2 is 6. Log 6 base 6, 1. So that is only they have given. They also got answer 1. We also got the answer 1. So answer first one correct. And the second one see here. X value they have given log 3 base 2. So I am substituting here 1 by log 3 base 2 plus that 1 I have written log 2 base 2 because the bases should be equal. That's what. Here same log a plus log b log ab. So again what I got 1 by log 6 base 2 plus 1. This will be reciprocal. Then what will be happen? Log 2 base 6. That one can be written as log 6 base 6. Again log a plus log b log ab. Log 2 6 are 12. So log 12 base 6. So that is only they have given. That is also correct answer. H is the altitude of equilateral triangle. Then its area is h square by root 3. See here I am taking a triangle, equilateral triangle. So all sides are x. Then this will be x by 2 and height. Using Pythagoras theorem, we can say that x square is equal to x square by 4 plus h square. So h square is equal to x square minus x square by 4. H square is equal to 3x square by 4. So we know very well area of the triangle of base into height. If I write like this, so I will get h square by root 3. So that is also correct. But fourth one is wrong. That is sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. We know very well if you divide 1.732 by 2, then you will get 0.866. This is 0.500. So obviously it is wrong. So 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. If a dice is rolled, which of the following events has least probability? See, getting odd number 1 by 2, getting a prime number 1 by 2, getting a even number 1 by 2, but getting a composite number is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 means 0.3. Remaining 0.5. So that's the least possibility. Maximum value minus minimum value is nothing but range. So that is yes. To know popular brand of an article, that is mode, because popular means it again and coming, again coming, again and coming. When extremes are not important, that is medium, because medium, for finding medium we need not to bother about extremes. When all the observations are important, that is mean. If one observation is not true, we can't find the answer SRQT. SRQT, that is the B answer. So in this triangle, D is the interior point, x, y, z, w are the measurements on the angles. Then find the x in terms of this remaining. See here, we are having two triangles here, big triangle and small triangle. In the big triangle, I am taking x plus y plus y plus y plus z, means x plus 3y plus z is equal to 180. In the small triangle, what I am having? Y plus w, means w plus 2y is equal to 180. So here 180 are equal, so these two also equal, means x plus 3y plus z is equal to w plus 2y. I want x, means w minus 3y bring to this side means minus 3y, then 2y minus 3y means minus y, plus z bring to this side is minus y. So minus z. So answer y minus w minus y minus z, that is first option. In the adjoining figure, AB is a tangent to the circle with O and point D is the interior to the circle and BD is the intersects the circle C, BC and CD 3 and OD is 2 and AB is 6, then the radius of the circle. See here, I will say process you do. If you don't understand, I will explain these all problems on board, because here you can't understand if I explain on this paper, but process I will say. See here, first of all, extend the BC up to the next circle. Then find the CD value. After finding CD value, this radius is intersecting, means this CD is bisecting from the center. So you will get EF, then after that FD, then after that EO, that is the radius. So this total process I will explain on board. If tan theta plus cot theta is equal to, then the tan power 2001 theta plus cot power 2001 theta is equal to. See here, this formula is absolutely suitable for that one. So both are correct and R is the correct expression. See here I am explaining here. Squaring on both sides I am saying a square plus b square plus 2ab plus, so 2 square. This 2 bring to that side 2. Cubing I am saying, cubing also a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to 8. 6 bring to that side, 8 minus 6 is 2. So it's satisfying, square, cube, anything. So it's a correct. Median of data consisting of odd numbers observations is 30. If two observations are 9, 36 removed from the data, median of the new data. See here, odd number of data means median 30 they are given. One number from left side, one number from right side. If you deleting also, the median will not be changed. So answer 30. That's correct. Area of the isosceles triangle here, base is 8 and its perimeter they have given. So perimeter means we don't know. That's what I am taking x and x. So 2x plus 8 is equal to 18. 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 5. Now, we know formula. S is equal to P by 2, that is 9. Root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Using that formula, we can get answer is 12. Otherwise, half into base into height. Half into base into height if you do also, so you will get the answer. The height of the solid cylinder exceeds its radius by 7 centimeters. The lateral surface area of the solid is 616 centimeters. Then what's the volume of the solid? We know very well, H is 7 more means 7 plus x. If you take radius is x, then height is 7 plus x. We know very well, lateral surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h, that is 616. H means 7 plus x. So I am substituting. If you bring to this all, then you will get r into r plus 7 is equal to 7 into 14. So r value is 7, h value is 14. So if you substitute pi r square h, so you will get the answer 22 into 98. So 2 8s are 16. So in the option 16 only the unit digit 6, second option is there. That is the answer. And this problem is very difficult, but I try to done. I have done this problem, but I did not get the answer because options are wrong. Options are wrong. So the final answer is 35 by 2. 17.5 is the correct answer, but the answer is not there. How to do this one is here. Big circle minus square. If you do, then you will get the A part. Square minus circle, if you do small circle, if you do, you will get B part. Then A minus B you will. It's a very easy logic. Next, if you draw the diagram, we know very well AD square is equal to BD into CD. So AD square is equal to 3 into 12. 3 12s are 36. 36 means 6 square. So answer 6. So in this clock, we know very well sector formula x by 360 into pi r square. Here 10 minutes means 5 minutes means 30 degrees, 10 minutes means 60 degrees. 60 by 360 into pi into r value is here 14, they only given 14 into 14. So 0 0 cancel, 6 1s are 6 6s are, again 2 3s are 2 7s are. So 98 by 3 pi is the answer. Here probability they have given. Diamond cards, how many diamonds cards? 13 cards. So 13 by 52, that is 1 by 4. That is M value. And N value is black ace cards. So how many black ace cards are there? 2 are there. 2 by 52, that is 1 by 52. So if you add this two and if you subtract these two, 52 52 will get cancelled. So in the numerator 13 plus 2, in the denominator 13 minus 2. So answer 15 by 11. Option C. So mean, if you find the mean, sum of the observations by number of the observations, so that is 5. And mode, so many times it is repeating 0. So m power n they are asking 5 power 0, that is 1. So similar triangles property is satisfying, and angle in a semicircle is right angle. So both are correct. So answer both are true. See, in the 10th class heights and distance problem only this is, we know very well already, so many times we have done. Tan alpha is equal to h by 4. Tan of 90 minus alpha is equal to h by 9. So tan 90 minus alpha means cot alpha. Cot alpha means reverse of tan alpha. So h by, 4 by h is equal to h by 9. Cross multiplication, h square is equal to 36. So 36 means 6. Answer is 6. In this figure, if you draw a perpendicular, then sin 30 is equal to BD by 5. 1 by 2 is equal to BD by 5. BD is equal to 2.5. So we got the height. Area of the triangle half into base into height. That is 7.5. So option A is also very easy. 36 plus 54 is a 90. So that answer must be 1. But they have given 2. That's wrong. And this is also already told. So that should be 90 degrees. But they have given 180. So this is also wrong. Both are wrong. P of E is equal to 0.00275. Then P of E bar means we have to subtract from 1.0000 minus 0.00275. If you subtract, you will get 99725. So this is the friends 40 marks, 40 bits in. I want to complete it 20 minutes, but it has taken 25 minutes. So anyway, I completed within my time. So if you like this video, please like it. If you want to share it, share it. If you want to subscribe my channel, subscribe. And if you want to show to your all friends, just share it. So thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much.